Student, this is SP Rawat, Department of Information Technology, Jaran College, Chakradarpur. So, today's topic is on NAND gate and NOR gate. Student, NAND gate and NOR gate are also called universal gates. These two gates are also called universal gate because with the help of NAND gate and with the help of NOR gate, we can make any fundamental gates. Any fundamental gates means we can make OR gate with the help of these two gates. We can make AND gate with the help of these two gates. We can make NOT gate with the help of these two gates. So that's why these gates are also called universal gates. Let's start NAND gate. NAND gate is the complement of AND gate. It is the combination of AND gate plus NOT gate equal to NAND gate. So this is the symbol of NAND gate, AND gate plus this is NOT gate. Okay, and so if A and B is the input, then its output is A dot B whole bar. Let's go through its truth table. This is the two input NAND gate. A and B are the input and Y is for output. So we can see the result if the output is high only when all the inputs or any one of the input is low, then only the output is high. We also see the three inputs NAND gate. Here also we can see it output is high only when all the inputs are low, or if any one of the input is low, then the output is high. But if all the inputs are high, then output will be zero, low. See, all the inputs are high, the output will be 0. So this is all about NAND gate. Now NOR gate. NOR gate is the complement of OR operation. It is the combination of OR gate plus NOT gate. It gives NOR gate. So its Boolean expression is that z equal to x plus y whole bar, where z, x plus y are the inputs and y is the outputs. Let us see its truth table. Here a and b are input and y is output. So from this truth table, we see that its outputs are high only when all the inputs are low. The condition is that its outputs are high only when all the input must be low, then its outputs are high. See, this is two input OR gate 001, 010, 100, 110. Here also its output is high only when all the inputs are 0. If any input become high, then the output will be 0. So why these two gates are called universal gates? See, we in here we implement NOT gate using NOR gate. Okay, A is an input. Okay, A A A plus A equal to A, because it is complement. Then the output will be A bar, which is the output of NOT gate. So here we implement NOT gate using NOR gate. Next, here we implement OR gate using NOR gate. C, A, B are two inputs. Here A plus B whole bar. Okay. A plus B whole bar. Here A plus B whole bar. Here A plus B whole bar equal to A plus B. This is what? This is OR gate. Okay. Next, AND gate implementation using NOR gate. See, this is A bar. This is B bar. Here A bar plus B bar, because it's a NOR gate. A bar plus B bar whole bar equal to A dot B by De Morgan's theorem. We know that A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. So this is what? This is AND gate. So we can also make these fundamental gate using not using NAND gate. See, implementation of NAND gate using NAND gate. A bar A dot A bar equal to A also, so equal to A bar. This is what NOT gate. Next, implementation of OR gate using NAND gate. See, this there are two inputs because it is NAND gate. A dot B whole bar, again A dot B whole bar, A dot B whole bar equal to A dot B. Okay, because A dot B whole bar double bar then equal to A dot B. This is a what? This is AND gate. Okay, now here implementation of OR gate using NAND gate. See, A bar, B bar, A bar dot B bar equal to A bar plus B bar, because by De Morgan's theorem, and this is what? This is OR gate. So this is all about universal gates. If you have any doubts, then comment me in the comment section. Thank you.